What's going on, guys? Chad back with you here. This is going to be just kind of a nice, easy, narrated flight and talking about the Runcam Eagle Pro Micro, which you can see this is the image down in the bottom of the corner. Got this on the 5.5-inch Proton, which is my favorite rig to fly. Long range, medium range, whatever. It's just so smooth. This is on a 5S 1600 pack. I think this flight was about 5 minutes, but I'd flown around about 3 minutes before that. So nice, easy flying, 7.5, 8 minutes. Kind of really what I like to do with these long range things. It's really all you can kind of do in this type of country anyway, with trees and when you get into hills and everything, you always kind of have to fly at some kind of altitude. But we've had a lot of rain. There hasn't been much interesting things to film, but I wanted to go and check out the flooding of the fields and stuff, as you can see right there. So there's just kind of water everywhere. That's a lake up there, about a mile out here from my takeoff location. And I was dodging in between the rainstorms, because I think we're supposed to get another 2 to 4 inches of rain overnight into tomorrow, and then have some crazy winds. But let's talk about the Micro Pro. If you love the Eagle 2 Pro, you're going to love the Micro Pro. There's a lot more settings and adjustments built into it to play around with, and it comes with a nice little bigger sized remote to play around with instead of one of the little dongle type of things. As far as the image is, I think, the best that I've seen. The Predator looks pretty good that I have as well, but it oversaturates a little bit, and you can adjust a little bit of that out, but then you kind of take away from other stuff, and you have that type of blue hue that you kind of have to get rid of. None of those problems exist in the Micro. Everybody should have seen unboxing videos and stuff like that by now, so don't want to talk about any of that kind of stuff. But a lot of the shimmering and artifacting is gone. There's still a little bit of it there, but not a whole lot. I've not had a chance to fly this in super bright conditions yet, so I haven't. That usually brings them out quite a bit. Typical CMOS cameras usually are a little bit dimmer, but the reason this one is so much bigger, brighter that is because the aperture of the actual lens and the image sensor inside is the exact same as the Eagle Pro 2. So you're not losing anything. You're basically getting a better or the same camera in just a smaller form factor. So it's definitely an ultimate camera to put on one of your favorite type of long range rigs, just to enjoy the flight experience that much more. It really just adds a lot to it and makes big long cruises like this more enjoyable. Some people have compared it to GoPro footage, or as close to a GoPro as you can get. I really don't know about all that. It's as good as I'm going to get on my Dom 2s. I'd love to have some HD3s one of these days and see what it looks like in 16:9 or 4x3. That would be pretty awesome. But yeah, it's a definite win, and of course, as always, the Flight Club 5.5-inch Proton is a definite win, and 5S is a definite win. So tomorrow we're supposed to have some really high winds. I want to get out though, hopefully, and take a flight. It's probably going to be not as nice as a gentle and easy cruise as this is, but I definitely want to get out tomorrow and see what the results of all the extra rain are and see how things look. So until then, guys, I will see you later.